General knowledge questions and answers. Hello friends. This is Raul's tutorial. Please visit our website www.raulstutorial.com and download our app. Electronics Engineering Tutorial. Raul's tutorial. Important or famous monuments, structures across the world. Let's know about them. Monument. Burj Al Arab Hotel is in which country? Answer is Dubai, UAE. Monument Brandenburg Gate is in which country? Answer is Berlin, Germany. Monument Chichen Itza is in which country? Answer is Mexico. Monument Cape of Good Hope is in which country? Answer is South Africa. Monument Christ the Redeemer is in which country? Answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Monument Ephesus is in which country? Answer is Turkey. Monument Eiffel Tower is in which country? Answer is France. Monument Forbidden City is in which country? Answer is Beijing, China. Monument Faisal Mosque is in which country? Answer is Islamabad, Pakistan. Monument Golden Gate Bridge is in which country? Answer is San Francisco, California. Monument Great Wall of China is in which country? Answer is China. Monument Iguazu Falls on the border of Brazil and Argentina. Monument Inugshik is in which country? Answer is Canada. Monument Imperial Palace is in which country? Answer is Japan. Monument Kilimanjaro is in which country? Answer is Tanzania. Monument Kaaba is in which country? Answer is Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Now go for part 2. Thanks for watching.